by Royal Hawaiian Movers.
I saved a fortune on car insurance with Progressive. Now I'm just out here saving fortunes forward. I want you to look into this ball right here. Tell me what you see. Savings. That's absolutely right. And it's in your future. Close your eyes.
All right.
Go to Progressive.com.
I see flow.
That's a good sign. That's a good sign. It's your portal to the realm of savings. This is your heart line. This is your savings line. You see how they intertwine?
Yes. Savings equals love, honey.
Yes.
If you've been waiting for your old bulbs to burn out before replacing them with energy-efficient, money-saving CFLs, stop waiting. CFLs are so efficient you'll actually save more money if you replace your incandescent bulbs today, even if they're not burned out. We do recommend waiting till they cool down. Visit hawaiienergy.com/CFL.
Refresh your mind, body, and soul at Zippy's. Stimulate your mind with a Kindle Fire. Rejuvenate your body with a heaven on earth spa experience. Discover your soul in South Korea. The grand prize winner receives a round trip for two to Seoul, South Korea, or 360,000 Hawaiian miles to fly anywhere Hawaiian Airlines flies. Plus, try our new spaghetti turkey meat sauce and garlic bread plate. Enter to win today in the Mind, Body, and Soul giveaway at Zippy's.
These guys aren't afraid of hard work, so we swapped their Chevys and their Toyotas for an F-150.
This thing is sweet. This thing tows my boat way better than my Silverado.
EcoBoost technology, power of a V8, fuel efficiency of a 6. 22 on the highway.
I was really surprised how powerful this V6 is. The reverse camera is awesome.
Best-in-class towing, best-in-class payload.
I would give you the keys to my truck right now and take this home.
Right now, get up to $5,250 cash back on a new 2012 F-150. Only for a limited time and only at your Hawaii Ford dealer.
Ford, it's the right choice for the islands.
You're watching K5, home of Hawaii's most watched news team. Hawaii News Now.
Aloha ahiahi kākou. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the historic Hawaii Theater. Welcome to Kahimeni Ana 2011 My name is Manu Boyd, and I'm very happy to be your host this evening for this exciting occasion. Give yourselves a big hand for coming and showing up and supporting Hawaiian music. You know, tonight we have a very special tribute to wonderful, wonderful Ohana. And I just ran into to Kaleo in the back over there, and I'm speaking of the Keawe Ohana. And when we think of the name Keawe, we're really remembering the unbelievable contributions to our island music that were made by Auntie Genoa Keawe. Genoa Leilani Keawe and Edward Punivai Keawe were married September 7th, 1935. And that union lasted for nearly 50 years. Aloha nui a okua pauloa e ka ohana Keawe a me nā pula pula he nui vale. We have a very special performance this evening before the competition begins. And I mentioned earlier that one of our judges, Nola Nahulu, was backstage getting her singers together. These are the children of the Princess Kaiulani Elementary School, Emele Kākou. Emele Kākou is a collaborative effort of the Hawaiian Music Foundation and the Hawaii Youth Opera Chorus. Since 2002, Nola Nahulu has directed this group, and they are going to be performing this evening, including members of the 4th and 5th grade classes. 60 students in all will be singing their own greeting, their mele ho'okipa. They will be honoring the ali'i for whom their school is named, Princess Victoria Kaiulani, with a song composed by her aunt Lili'uokalani, Ahelau Makani, as well as a song composed by her mother, Aina Hau, for their home in Waikiki, and a song also honoring Kaiulani entitled Hei Noa no Kaiulani. Again, let's welcome our keiki from Princess Kaiulani Elementary School.
Aloha kako. Just in a nutshell, we get to go out to different elementary schools, and this program was a dream of the Hawaii Music Hall of Fame back in the 90s, and they started at Ka'iolani School. Now we partner with the Hawaii Youth Opera Chorus, and it's the Hawaii Youth Opera Chorus staff who implements it. So every school we go to, and it's about 6 a year, we go in for 12 sessions. They learn do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. They learn how to read the treble clef notes. They learn hula that's selected for their school or their ahupua'a. They learn Hawaiian history, and all of this is through Hawaiian music, and specifically of our ali'i, Nalani Eha. So next week, they have their excursion. We're about halfway through their program. Next week, they get to celebrate Lili'u's birthday at Washington Place, and then sing with the Royal Hawaiian Band at Iolani Palace. A new program that we implemented last school year was Adopt a School. For $1,500, you can also adopt a school. Ka'iolani was adopted by the Hawaiian Music Hall of Fame, so they could be here tonight. So in honor of their princess, we would like to go to Ainahau and then Hei no no Ka'iolani.
Long
That was really nice. You know, again, and this is one of our judges, Nola Nahulu. I also would mention that she's also the choir director at Kwaiahao Church. And you know who the organist was when she started? That's right, Queen Lili'uokalani herself. That's right. Seriously. But Nola, actually, we were Kamehameha. Nola would teach us for our song contest classes too, but you know, her hair was different color that time, yeah? Very much love Nola Nahulu. Again, one of our judges this evening, and I gotta tell you, you know, last year was something else. That was the first time I had a chance to MC this thing, and apparently I'm feeling much more relaxed now. This is gonna go on and on and on because I have many things to say. And so I wore this shirt today because it was very nondescript. And because last year we had Sig Zane, we had Nakeu Awai, we had all of these fashions. And you know who won? Sears. And Sears is back this year to perform again for you. And when I say Sears, I mean Ala Moana Shopping Center. We're talking Ala Moana, yeah? And this is a family of Ohana, the Ho'opi'i family. And including the patriarch of the Ohana, Robert Ho'opi'i, who's 82 years young. And many of his kids, I want to read the kids. Lopaka, though, went to school with us at Kamehameha, but he's older. But, you know, and so also we have Leila Moa Ho'opi'i on guitar this evening. Also Lopaka, who's playing bass. Kauhi Ho'opi'i is on guitar, and Taylor Ho'opi'i on ukulele. And again, how about a nice hand and beautifully costumed by Sears Ala Moana. A nice hand for the Ho'opi'i Ohana.
Tonight at 9, the Honolulu Police Department ramps up their search for a missing mom after her car is found last night. Also, a tip to Crime Stoppers leads to this catch, a 6-foot boa constrictor, where it was found tonight on Hawaii News Now at 9.
Join in the 140th annual King Kamehameha celebration. The annual floral parade takes place on Saturday, June 9th on Oahu from 9 a.m.
Each year, hundreds of people get together to plan and prepare for the parade. This parade's theme this year is Holomua Kamehameha.
We're celebrating the gifts that Kamehameha and all of his heirs have given to the Hawaiian people.
For more information about this year's events, visit hawaii.gov.
So let me get this straight. You're telling me that this car is just as reliable as a Honda Accord next door?
Well, pretty much. It has a super long warranty. That's not the same thing. Sure it is. If anything breaks, you can rely on the warranty. So it's reliable.
So it's the warranty that's reliable, not necessarily the car.
Were you this tough on the Honda dealer? I feel like you weren't.
The Accord from Honda. Named most trusted brand in America by KBB.com. Only a Honda is a Honda.
The music of old Hawaii comes alive as the Hawaii Music Hall of Fame presents Kahimeni Ana. Musical groups perform in the nahe nahe style, Hawaiian lyrics and harmonies without microphones or amplifiers. Watch as young and old compete for cash prizes. Kahimeni Ana, Saturday, August 25th at the Hawaii Theater. Tickets are available at the Hawaii Theater box office or charged by phone, 808-528-0506.
Carlisle, Caldwell, Cayetano. Who's on track to be Honolulu's next mayor? Hawaii News Now and the Honolulu Star Advertiser present Campaign 2012, State of the City, Wednesday night on the stations of Hawaii News Now.
Mahalo Anui. Our first group this evening, competing as group number 1, is known as Kalei Makali'i. The group, whose name is a family name originating from Kipohulu on Maui, has not been together for very long, but the trio of musicians includes Ohana member Steve Ma'i'i and his son Kai. What's up, how are you? Oh, you came tall, that no. I tell you. And Preem Brosio on guitar. The music veterans say it is fun to play music, but more importantly, we want to perpetuate the Hawaiian songs that we love. So they will be singing this evening, unless you want to change your list, like groups do this all the time. Say, oh no, we went to switch. Taking us to Waipio Valley on the island of Hawaii, Hi'ilave, and then Kipohulu Maui, Kamakani Ka'ili Aloha, the wind that took the love away. And with that, we welcome to the stage the very handsome Kalei Makali'i.
Makakahi ke nā hilawe, ku papalohi mai a o maukele. Makakahi ke nā hilawe, ku papalohi mai a o maukele. Pakele mai au I te tui matu, hawalau ne puni mai tino. Pakele mai au I te nuhi manu, wala au ne puni mai kino. Haole no wau he waka mai, ai uki vai au no te mahiwi. Haole no wau he waka mai, ai uki vai au no te mahiwi. A hiwa hiwa au nā kamakua, ai leia I nā kikupuna. E hiwa hiwa ana kamakua, ai leia I nā kikupuna. No puna ke ala ia mai, no I ka pai lele a o Hi'ilave. No puna ke ala ia mai, no ke lele a o Hi'ilave. Haina ia mai ana kapuana, ku makakai ke nā o Hi'ilave. Haina ia mai ana kapuana, ku makakai ke nā o Hi'ilave. Hi'ilave, Hi'ilave, Hi'ilave. no I kamakani kaolana o kaina Kaulana no kaina Au e ho he no nei Kamakani Kaili aloha Kuakule
Nice hand for Kalei Makali. Number two is named Kolonahe. And you may remember this father and son duo from last year. Kolonahe is comprised of Kaimana Kono on upright bass and Greg Kono on ukulele. Music is a family affair, and this duo says Hawaiian music has been flowing from their fingertips and exploding from their hearts. I mean, who writes this stuff? Really. Ever since they could remember. And they're going to be doing for you two favorite Hawaiian songs. I mean, really. Heui and Noho Pai Pai. Get ready for the explosion. Here we go.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Dad, why are you getting that?
That's my cereal.
Is there a prize in there?
There's a prize, all right.
Is it a robot?
No.
Is it a jet plane?
Nope.
Is it a dinosaur?
Inside every box of heart-healthy Cheerios are those great-tasting little O's, made from carefully selected oats that can help lower cholesterol.
Stickers?
Uh-uh.
A superhero?
Kinda.
And we think that's the best prize of all.
Whoa! Sure, you can take big bites of the handcrafted quarter pounder with cheese, but soon it's half gone. What have I done, you think? And as that last bittersweet bite of 100% beef and cheese tickles over your taste buds, you think, until next time, dear friend.
The simple joy of savoring every bite. With 2 juicy, mouth-watering sandwiches from McDonald's Quarter Pounder family. For that cheesy, 100% all-beef taste you just can't resist.
The Chevy Cruze Echo also offers 42 mpg on the highway.
Actually, it's Cruze Eco, not Echo.
Just like either. Or either.
Or economical.
Or economical. Potato, potato, huh?
Actually, it's tomato, tomato.
Oh, that's right.
See your Hawaii Chevy dealer. Now, very well-qualified lessees can get a 2012 Chevy Cruze LS for around $159 per month. EPA estimated 36 miles per gallon highway.
Join in the 140th annual King Kamehameha celebration. The annual floral parade takes place on Saturday, June 9th on Oahu from 9 a.m.
The one group that I feel makes the parade truly Hawaiian in essence our Pa'u riders.
They're doing it just out of pure love. When you see the look on the kupuna's face, they are so appreciative that we've continued this tradition.
For more information about this year's events, visit hawaii.gov.
Group number three has a beautiful melodious Hawaiian name, Coin Street. You know, the Crab family, you know the Crabs, Uncle Mogo, Auntie Dem, Moses, Mark, they all live Coin Street, Mo'ili'ili. But this group is called Coin Street. That is the location where they rehearse in Mo'ili'ili. These are members of the Hawaii Opera Theater Chorus. The group has its roots in tailgate parties, more clean living there, I'm sure. And the tailgate after opera rehearsal. I mean, mahalo ke akua for that. You know, after opera, we tailgate hoi. One night while jamming, the trio was asked to play at a baby luau and a quick trip to Don Quixote for $10 matching shirts. I'm not sure. I gotta check. Trustee Apoliona, is attire part of the scoring as well too? Must be, because I mean Sears can win Don Quixote. Why not? Yeah. Everybody live from Mo'ili'ili from the Opera Tailgate. Please welcome Coin Street.
The next song we do for you is a song that we started with, basically, Heni Heni Koaka. And for those of you who know the song, there is an English line to it for you and I. So Mr. Aaron Mahi gave us a hand, and to keep it in the tradition of all Hawaiian, he translated that for us, and so we'll be singing No Oi Me Au, in case if you look for a wrong word. And he also said that in the verse with the kaka'ako, he said the Hawaiians don't say stew for pipi stew, he says ku. So we'll be adding that in also. So here's our rendition of Heni Heni Koaka.
Aina mai ka puana, koa le a papa, he mea maa mauia, no oi mea. Aina mai ka puana, koa le a papa, he mea maa mauia, no oi mea. No oi mea. No
Aloha, I'm Norm Chow. Proud to be back home and getting our team ready for Hawaii's first year in the Mountain West Conference. I've said before, we're going to chase championships. To do that, we rely on the critical support of a key organization, Nakoa Football Club. Every dollar raised by Nakoa through tax-deductible donations is used to support our football program and the academic success of our players. If you're a UH football fan, I urge you to join Nakoa. Let's do this together. Mahalo, and we'll see you at the games.
It's an event so big, we couldn't keep it all inside. Nissan's National Tent Event is back with 500 holiday bonus cash on the best-selling Altima and Rogue. Now, save up to $3,650 on Altima or up to $2,500 on Nissan Rogue. Visit ChooseNissan.com. Test drive at your Hawaii Nissan dealer. Hurry, when the tents come down, bonus cash will end.
Okay, so who ordered the cereal that can help lower cholesterol, and who ordered the yummy cereal?
Yummy.
It's yours.
Low cholesterol. Low cholesterol.
I'm yummy.
Lower cholesterol.
I got that wrong, didn't I?
I think that's one of the yummy ones.
Want great taste? Honey Nut Cheerios. Want whole grain oats that can help lower cholesterol? Honey Nut Cheerios. It's a win-win.
Good? Good.
Be happy. Be healthy. Can I try yours?
The music of old Hawaii comes alive as the Hawaii Music Hall of Fame presents Kahimeni Ana. Musical groups perform in the nahe nahe style, Hawaiian lyrics and harmonies without microphones or amplifiers. Watch as young and old compete for cash prizes. Kahimeni Ana, Saturday, August 25th at the Hawaii Theater. Tickets are available at the Hawaii Theater box office or charged by phone, 808-528-0506.
Our next competing group is named Hale o Keawe. Hale o Keawe, meaning House of Keawe, is a family of four comprised of husband Steve on guitar, wife Kule on ukulele, and their children, Ka'ehu, who is 13 on upright bass, and Ka'ena, who is 11 on guitar. Wow, that's awesome.
La
Another big hand for Hale Okiawe. That was outstanding. Wow. Stand by for more. I used to be 13. But I wasn't doing that, and I just want a comment also just from watching from backstage is that bass playing was really good, and it's not easy to play bass. When you listen, sometimes when you listen to Hawaiian music, you can just close your eyes and just listen to what the bass is doing. Sometimes it's treated as a filler, and it's just all over the place, and sometimes it's actually leading the performance, and that was very. It's like, again, what is Mom upside down? Wow. All right. Ocean Ka'uili. Okay, there's some stories here. Our next group, the Sons of Kapalama, and it includes Pomaikai Brown on steel. And Ocean Ka'uili, again, went to school with, but him and Lopaka Ho'opi'i older, but same time, Kamehameha. Also, Keli'i Paleka on guitar, Sean Mullaney on upright bass. Welcome to the Sons of Kapalama.
Tonight at 9, the Honolulu Police Department ramps up their search for a missing mom after her car is found last night. Also, a tip to Crime Stoppers leads to this catch, a 6-foot boa constrictor, where it was found tonight on Hawaii News Now at 9.
Join in the 140th annual King Kamehameha celebration. The annual floral parade takes place on Saturday, June 9th on Oahu from 9 a.m.
Each year, hundreds of people get together to plan and prepare for the parade. This parade's theme this year is Holomua Kamehameha.
We're celebrating the gifts that Kamehameha and all of his heirs have given to the Hawaiian people.
For more information about this year's events, visit hawaii.gov.
Young Brothers, serving Hawaii for more than 110 years, with 12 weekly sailings to the islands of Hawaii, Maui, Kauai, Molokai, and Lanai. Young Brothers is your neighbor island partner for inter-island shipping. Call or visit youngbrothershawaii.com.
Really? Stealing your roommate's laundry money?
I'm starving, and I only have a few bucks.
Well, that's all you need. I just added 4 new things to my value menu. Try my new chicken nuggets, Junior Jack, value fries, and drink. And right now, get them all together for only $3.99. It's called Jack's Value Deal.
Hey, isn't there supposed to be another guy?
I'll be right there. I'm busy.
Aloha, I'm Uncle Kukua. I made my fortune investing in real estate, and now I want to share my money with people in need.
Not many people would do that. Just come out and help others like this. He will be blessed for his kindness.
Most millionaires want to keep making more millions, and here's one that want to help instead.
Uncle Kukua, Tuesdays at 7 p.m. on K5.
Mokoli'i is the name of contestant number 6, a musical group with a common love for Hawaiian music, comprised of good friends, Nathaniel Stillman on bass, Alika Souza on guitar, Eddie Palama on steel, and Isaac Acuna on ukulele, and Kuni Agard. Already, this is like a big professional group over here. This is like a who's who in Hawaiian society. They love to vocalize and harmonize, and especially with Hawaiian music. And so we have 2 mele, or 2 songs to be performed this evening by Mokoli'i, and the songs are Mana'opili, and taking us all the way to Kauai, we have Kaualoku for the area of Hanalei. Nice hand for Mokoli'i.
for the Garden Isle of Kauai, Mana'opili by Diana Key and Aloha Kauai by Mikey Ayu.
Our next selection is a medley of songs that keeps us on the island of Kauai, more specifically, the district of Hanalei.
Glorious is Hanalei, famous for its drenching rains.
Hano Hano Hanalei and Ka'ualoku by Alfred Alohikea. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hano Hano Hanalei Kauanui. Hano Hano Hanalei Kauanui.
Kau lana wale kakua o Hanalei. I ake e ina pali.
E ho'opili ana me kalauahe. Le mo ho'oheno ne i ka poli. Ka poene mai no a ke kai. E he ala e mai ana. E hoi mai no kauala e kiri. Kaualoku kalana o Hanalei. Aloha kahione o Pukarose. Ika ho'o te ia I kuna kai. A kahi hori au ai te I kanani. Hano hano Hanalei Kauanui. Kaualoku kalana o Hanalei. Kaualoku kalana o Hanalei.
Our final contestant this evening, they call themselves the Kaiaulu Serenaders. And this is a trio comprised of Keokina Kane on ukulele, Kapili Littlejohn on guitar, and Robert Reed on upright bass. So the Kaiaulu Serenaders are going to dedicate their performance tonight to the Lupe Nui Ohana. And beautiful songs that remind, just before we even hear the performance of Kumuhula Darryl Ihi Laua Kea Lupe Nui and his Ohana. And they're going to do a song, beautiful song, Moku Oeo, as well as E Koae. So again, a nice hand for our seventh and final competing group this evening, the Kaiaulu Serenaders.
always thought I was going to give my jewelry collection to my daughter and my grandchildren. They said that everything was just too old-fashioned. So I took everything to Michael's Jewelry at Pearl Ridge Center. Michael paid me a bundle. Dennis and I are going to Las Vegas alone. I love Michael's.
I tried to wake up early today. I tried to keep things simple today. And if I just keep trying and trying harder, well, something's gonna go my way. I know you're waiting for me.
So it's between this or the Honda Civic next door.
Okay, done. This one.
They say the Civic is the best-selling car in its class.
It's possible.
It also has this cool Econ button that helps maximize fuel efficiency.
Oh yeah, this car has a lot of buttons. You get a defrost button, radio button, cruise control button, window button, wiper button, trunk button, super button, buttons inside of buttons, buttons controlling other buttons.
We're just interested in the Econ button.
That's one button. This is a car with many buttons.
The Civic from Honda. 39 mpg highway and a way to help you make the most of it. Only a Honda is a Honda.
Dr. Ken Yasuhara, Aesthetic and Restorative Dentistry, a comforting alternative to the regular dentist. Our top-trained staff is focused on your well-being and ease. We specialize in providing a dream smile with the use of the latest technology and ever-improving techniques. Dr. Yasuhara performs regular checkups as well as porcelain veneers, Invisalign, teeth whitening, implants, night guards, single-visit crowns, and much more. Experience for yourself the ease of a modern practice with Ken Yasuhara, Aesthetic and Restorative Dentistry.
The Keawe Ohana, again, the children and the descendants of Edward Punivai and Genoa Leilani Keawe are here this evening, and they're going to do a couple songs. And here, performing the first and third Thursday of the month at Royal Hawaiian Center with the Royal Hawaiian Band, that very handsome Gary Keawe Aiko. Job security. And Pomaikai Keawe Lyman. Wow, girl, you looking good. You know what they say? They count in Japanese. Ichi ni san shigo. Think about it after you're going to laugh. Ichi ni san shigo. And Mr. Eric Kaleo Keawe. This is the one. He took good care of his mama all the way to the, in fact, even till today, all of them. So in tribute to Genoa Leilani and Edward Punivai Keawe and the 1.5 million descendants of Kahana Valley and Laie Vai and Laie Malo'o, please welcome the Keawe Ohana. They're going to sing for you favorite songs of their mama and their grandma, Palolo, Nakapueo, Emaliu Mai, Puina Ole Ia, and of course the standard classic Alika. Aloha kako ya ka ohana Keawe. I ka ohana Keawe. Mahalo.
dedicated to our parents, Edward and Genoa. A song that will be on my brother's next recording entitled Buena Ole Ia.
That's how you stay. That's how you stay. That's why, darling, it's incredible that someone so unforgettable, yet you think that I am unforgettable too. Things that I am unforgettable too.
He'll make a beef stew heavy on the eggs, salad to school, rice on a hamburger bun, hot dog, kimchi, chili pepper water, my son. Top it all off with a little sugar. Hail the Toby, 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 check what he had. Hail the hail the hail the hail the take it. Ay, na may anak ako na dahil mo na kanino kanino ba oko ito kalalik kayo oko pen wala and the dog we don't check what he has.
Oh, you can hunt a hole. No. Eric Keave, his daughter Pumekai, Keave Lyman. Gary Keave Aiku, hunt a hole, hunt a hole. You know, when there's a group that you didn't really like performing and all that, but you can stay instead while they're doing the hana ho thing. You can say ahui ho, ahui ho, ah, hana ho, hana ho, ka ohana keave keia.
Okay. Since we have our nieces here in the audience, we're gonna call them out and shout them out. They can dance right there in the aisles. And anybody else, and actually anybody else, because you all know what song it is, and it's a kako thing. Mom did it up in Carnegie Hall, and this is Papalina Lahi Lahi. So if you know it, just dance in the aisles right there, okay? Okay. Can we get the house lights up?
Tonight at 9, the Honolulu Police Department ramps up their search for a missing mom after her car is found last night. Also, a tip to Crime Stoppers leads to this catch, a 6-foot boa constrictor, where it was found tonight on Hawaii News Now at 9.
Join in the 140th annual King Kamehameha celebration. The annual floral parade takes place on Saturday, June 9th on Oahu from 9 a.m.
The one group that I feel makes the parade truly Hawaiian in essence are our Pa'u riders.
They're doing it just out of pure love. When you see the look on the kupuna's face, they are so appreciative that we've continued this tradition.
For more information about this year's events, visit hawaii.gov.
The Chevy Cruze Echo also offers 42 mpg on the highway.
Actually, it's Cruze Eco, not Echo.
Just like either. Or either.
Or economical.
Or economical. Potato, potato, huh?
Actually, it's tomato, tomato.
Oh, that's right.
See your Hawaii Chevy dealer. Now, very well-qualified lessees can get a 2012 Chevy Cruze LS for around $159 per month. EPA estimated 36 miles per gallon highway.
The music of old Hawaii comes alive as the Hawaii Music Hall of Fame presents Kahimeni Ana. Musical groups perform in the nahe nahe style, Hawaiian lyrics and harmonies without microphones or amplifiers. Watch as young and old compete for cash prizes. Kahimeni Ana, Saturday, August 25th at the Hawaii Theater. Tickets are available at the Hawaii Theater box office or charged by phone, 808-528-0506.
Let's move together at the Arthritis Walk on May 20th at Kaka'ako Waterfront Park.
Help raise money and be a part of the fight against arthritis, the #1 cause of disability in the U.S.
Sign up at hiarthritiswalk.org.
Again, Paul Maikai looking good at Ichini-san. Shoot, go. You know, we're getting to the point that we're ready to ha'awi makana or give the awards this evening. So I want to call Rick Towell. He's going to be coming up to the stage, and nice hand for brother Rick coming up. Are you sitting in the front somewhere? Where are you? Here we are, right here. And I think we're doing something a little different this year. Everyone is going to get a little bit of something this year. Is that correct, Mr. Towell? Now this is the son of the Mr. Towell, but we just call this guy Rick. Big hand again for this Ohana for pulling this together. Unbelievable. And he's gonna ha'awi makana give awards to some beautiful Hawaiian music this evening at Kahimeni Ana, 27 years.
Could we have the house lights, please? Mahalo everyone for coming. Indeed, we chose our parents well. First of all, I'd like to acknowledge my dad, Richard Towell, who's in the audience over there. Produced the show 27 years ago. All the judges are coming up. As I said, we chose our parents well, and aren't we so fortunate to live in such a beautiful land with good smells, good sound. This, by the way, is the first year in 27 years that we got all white ginger along the stage over here. That's thanks to Ricky Nunez, who we failed to mention tonight, and he found this little patch across Waiheke Extreme, so thank you, Ricky. I wanted to convey a little story that kind of touched my heart. You know, the Keawe Ohana, besides having such a wonderful talent and sharing the music and dance, it is the love. And so, John, I was talking to John Rahoon, who's in the audience here, and this was way back, maybe about 20 years ago, when they were repairing or rebuilding the Kahaluu Stream, and two kind of naughty guys went outside one night and moved all of the barriers looking to see someone kind of get in trouble and crack up and all that kind of stuff. And so John stopped his Jeep and saw this and moved the barriers back out of the way so that people would be safe passing by. And two guys came out and jumped him. And, you know, he said, my goodness, it's all I could do to just keep myself from passing out. I had one guy down and one guy on top of him. And then all of a sudden, there was this sort of a weight lifted off his shoulder, and it was Superman Gary Aiko, who came and saved the day. So, mahalo and love you, Gary. Here's our judges. Mahalo to our judges for coming tonight. And our wonderful MC, put all of this together. So first of all, really thank you. So the seventh prize, I gotta put my clicks on. Kale Makali. Sixth place, Hali Okeabe.
I'd like to mention that, like Mary Monarch, there was only 1 point dividing each place. Back to you, Paula and Kimo.
Fifth place, Polonahe. Fourth place, the Coin Street. Third place, Kayahulu Serenaders. Second place, Sons of Kapalama. And as you would probably figure out, first prize goes to Mokoli'i.
Kauai, purple. Nice the mokihana too, yeah? That's the kind that mokihana that grows at Uncle Mahi Beamer's house at Kavela. That's sea grapes, but don't tell. We want to thank everybody for being here this evening, and this is not a part of the script before we do the mahalos and have our Hawaii Aloha. But we in order for this to really work, we need participants in this competition. So I think while the momentum is flowing and while we have all this mana and all this energy in the audience, as we look forward to next August, all of you know people in your ohana and people and friends who play work, who play music at parties or wherever. And if we can start recruiting groups this year, we want to have even more, because as long as the Tawal Ohana is committed to acknowledging them and honoring them here at Hawaii Theater or wherever we're at, the more the merrier. So again, let's get even more participants, but for the 7 groups this evening, all divided by just 1 point. How's about a big round of applause for them? We want to again just go through the sponsors and everybody who helped to publicize this event, to fill our seats over here. Mahalo to K5 and John Fink, General Manager. Also the Hawaii Academy of Recording Arts, Pakele Live, Hawaii News Now, KITV, the Honolulu Star Advertiser, Midweek, the Office of Hawaiian Affairs, AM 940 Hawaii Radio, Cox Radio Group, Clear Channel Communications, Hawaii Public Radio, Studio Rim Hawaii Radio Japan, and the Hawaiian Music Hall of Fame, and also mahalo for the coordination, backstage coordination, production coordination by HPE Live. We also, all the gingers that we mentioned, all the gatherers who go up and cut this white ginger, and the beautiful kahili ginger in the front here. As I was walking past, it reminded me of Grandma and Grandpa's house in Volcano. You know how you say volcano in Hawaiian? Volcano.
Volcano.
That's right. And
came from Haunani Road in Bala.
Exactly. Anyway, before we have our Hawaii Aloha, we invite Rick again to say a few more words, and we want to say again to all 7 contestants, also to the keiki of Princess Ka'iulani Elementary School, to our very, very favorite Uncle Mahi Beamer, and aloha to you and to Cousin Gay for your organ playing earlier. Mahalo to the Ho'opi'i Ohana and all of your clean living that makes those notes so clear and sustained. And also to the Keawe Ohana, to Gary Keawe Aiko, to Pomaikai, and to Kaleo as well. Mahalo nui for coming this evening. A couple final comments and then we all Hawaii Aloha together.
Mahalo.
Mahalo anui loa ia oko, malama pono, ke aloha.
We want to hear your favorite Aston adventure story. Send it to us along with a photo, and you could win a 2-night stay at an Aston Hotels and Resorts property. Go to K5